Hello kids, in this math section, today we have learned decimals. In previous class we also learned fractions properties, fraction systems. Now we learn decimal properties, decimal systems, types of decimals. It is also decimal number are used to represent that are smaller than unit 1. Is that clear? To represent. Why use? To represent that are smaller than unit 1. Also known as base 10 system. It's a new learning. Base 10 system. What is base 10 system? Or mind in situation. So no, since each place value, it sorry, each place value is denoted by power of 10. Is that repeat? Each place value is denoted by power of 10. What is place value? So read place value, this place value chart. In this place value chart, we have chart also, place value chart. Read it. Place value chart. We draw this chart. Middle in decimal. It is left side of decimal point and it is right side of decimal point. Middle section decimal point, it can be separate to any number. Unit, start unit, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s and millions and etc. More than decimal right side, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s and millions. Left side and right side. What can we show of this chart? It left side part integral part and right side part fraction part. Separate by decimal point. Any decimal point. We know the theoretical and we have to practical. Let's can be learned by this example. It can be practically seen. Middle decimal point separate left and separate right. In left side separation, first start unit, second tens place 6, 5 is 100. Its place value 500, place value 6, 0, tens, and unit value is this place value. And after it, right side, 8 is tens, 7 is hundreds. So we learn it also. 5 multiplied to 100 plus 6 multiplied to 10 plus 4 multiplied to 1 plus 8 multiplied to 1 upon 10. It's a new process because it is a tens plus 7 multiplied to 1 upon 100. Not. If fraction and decimal written as vice versa. It means fraction convert in decimal and decimal convert in fraction. Easily. Know this example. 3 upon 10 is equal to 1.5. When 3 divided by 2, answer is 1.1. It is a fraction, it is a decimal. And also read it. 1.5, next step 15 upon 10 and 3 upon 2. It is also clearly that fraction and decimal written as vice versa. Okay. In next page, we read properties on fractions. Properties on fractions. First we read addition. Second we read subtraction. Third we read multiplication. And fourth division. Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Any properties read by example. So clear it. Addition, subtraction. Same example for easily learning. In easy learning, in this example, 27.25 plus 16.5. It's only read 16.5. 0 is also learn after learn. Now in addition property, 5 in blank place we have put 0. In blank place we put 0. 5, 0 plus 5. 2, 5 and 7. and addition of 7 and 6 are also 13, but it is a carry about 1 and also read it 4. Now the answer is 43.75. It is a pattern of addition. Middle decimal, right side tens of decimal, and left side unit, tens and plus etc. Subtraction of decimal, middle section also decimal, and left side decimals, units, tens, etc. And right side tens. Is that copy to addition system? When placing blank space and fill up by 0, 5, 0, and the normal process of any subtraction method. Is that clear? Answer is 10.75. Now third property, multiplication. 3, sorry, it will r missing. 3, there are 3 pattern for multiply. First, multiplication of decimals to other decimal. Multiplication of decimal to other decimal. Now first read, learn again by this example. 27.25 multiply 16.5. Multiplying them as whole number, not as decimal number. Multiplying them as whole number. What is pattern? Whole number is also in your scenes. 5, 5, 6 completely, 1 completely, and the last answer is 449615. But the product will contain the same number of digit. How can we place decimal point? The product will contain the same number of digit. Decimal will be placed on the left side of the total digit in question. Total digit, amount of 1, 2 and 3, left side. 1, 2 and 3. It is a left side. Its answer is clearly put. Okay. It is the multiplication property. Now we see divisional property on decimal numbers. Sorry. It is the next part of multiplication. B. Multiplication of decimals to whole number. This property is also like previous operation. It means any number, multiply them as whole number and decimal point are put after. See, multiplication of decimal with power of 10. What is power of 10? 10 in 1 connect with 0. Describe. If decimal is multiplied by a power of 10, then decimal point shift to the right. It is underlined. Shift the right side. Shift the right side by the number of 0 in this power. It can be solved by this example. 27 minus 27.25 multiply 10. The product and solution. In this case, 10 power 1. Power of 10 is 1. So, decimal shift right side. Decimal shift right side. And the answer is 272.5. Clear? Now, again example, 27.25 multiplied to 100. In this case, the power of 10 is 2. The power of 10 is 2. So decimal shift 2 step of right side. And now the answer is 2725. Not have answer, not have any digit. So answer is 2725. Okay, is that clear? Now we learn division of decimals. Division of decimals in this page clearly describe 3 pattern. First pattern, dividing a decimal number by a whole number. And second, dividing a decimal number by a decimal number. And third, Dividing a decimal number by power of 10. First a whole number, first second decimal number, and power of 10. It's the three patterns. First pattern, convert the decimal number into fraction. Convert. Second, divide the fraction by the whole number. First, follow this example. 45.25 division sign and 5. 4525 upon 100 division sign and 5. It is help of step first. How can it? We displace decimal point and denominator have 100. Now 4525 upon 100 is multiplied to 1 upon 5. It's the second step of 2. Step 2, divide the fraction by the whole number. 100, 9.05 is the last answer, final answer. Okay, it is a division process start. And now step 2. Step 2 means dividing a decimal number by a decimal number, other decimal number. It is a pattern of example. Convert both decimal number into the fraction. First we convert in fraction and second divide the fraction. First convert 4525 upon 100. It is a conversion. It is also conversion. 0.5. It must be 5 upon 10 now. 4525 upon 100 multiplied to 10 upon 5. Now 4525 100 and 10 upon 5, because change this method, division to multiplication. Step 2, and answer is 90.5. It is solving method. Third, dividing a decimal number by power of 10. Last, dividing a decimal number by power of 10. In this case, the decimal point shift the left. When multiply, shift the right. And now decimal, it shift the left of number of 0 in its power. Its example 98.765 divide by 100. Now 1 2 to 10 powers 2. It can clearly the decimal point left side replaced. Now the question is 98765, but decimal shift left side. It's a proper ruling is 0.98765 answer. It is a proper pattern. Okay, that is a clear properties of fraction, sorry, decimal. In next class we have next chapter. Thank you.